Hello everyone, and welcome to this React tutorial. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is React? React is an open-source JavaScript library, not a full-fledged framework. Its main job is to help developers build user interfaces, the parts of a web application that users interact with directly. Unlike a framework, it doesn't come bundled with features like routing or data handling. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing really well: building fast, interactive UIs. And because of its rich ecosystem, you can plug in other tools whenever you need additional functionality. Think of React as the strong foundation on which you can assemble the rest of your house. So, why should you invest time in learning React? First, it's backed by Facebook, now Meta, which means it's actively maintained, tested at scale, and frequently updated. That gives you confidence that the technology is here to stay. Second, React has one of the largest developer communities out there. Whether you're stuck on a bug or searching for best practices, chances are someone has already solved your problem. Finally, React is a highly in-demand skill. Companies around the globe use it in production, so adding React to your skill set can open doors to many career opportunities. Now, let's talk about React's unique approach, its component-based architecture. Imagine building a website as if you were constructing a house. Each part of the house is a reusable block. The roof could be a header, the walls might be a side nav, the floor is the footer, and the rooms represent the main content. Each component is self-contained, meaning it handles its own structure, logic, and style. By combining these smaller pieces, you can create large, complex applications that are much easier to manage and update over time. One of the biggest advantages of components is reusability. Let's say you're making a recipe website. You can design one article component with a picture, a title, and instructions. Once it's ready, you can reuse it for dozens of recipes without writing the same code again. This saves time, ensures consistency, and makes updates far easier. This approach also gives React an edge over other tools like Angular or Vue for many developers. It's like building with Lego blocks, where one well-made block can be reused in countless ways. Another strength of React is that it's declarative. That means you don't have to tell React how to do something, just what you want. Think of it like ordering at a restaurant. You don't explain how to cook the dish. You just say what you'd like, and the chef takes care of the process. Similarly, with React, you describe what the UI should look like, and React updates the browser for you. Even better, when data changes, React efficiently updates only the necessary parts of the page, making apps faster and smoother without unnecessary reloading. Let's add to the reasons why React is so popular. It's incredibly flexible. You can use React to enhance just one part of an existing site, build an entire page, or even create a full-scale application. You're not forced to go all in from the start. Plus, React has a powerful sibling, React Native, which allows you to use your React knowledge to build mobile apps for iOS and Android. That means the same concepts you learn here can translate into building apps for multiple platforms. Before you dive into React coding, you'll need a good foundation. Start with the basics: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for logic. Then, move on to modern JavaScript, ES6, which introduces features that React developers use all the time. Some concepts to be comfortable with are, to this keyword, array methods like map, filter, and reduce, especially map, which is super common in React. ES6 features like let and const, arrow functions, template literals, default parameters, object shorthand, the rest spread operators, and destructuring. If these sound unfamiliar, brushing them up first will make your React journey much smoother. That's a wrap for our introduction to React. We've looked at what React is, why it's worth learning, and the skills you'll need before diving deeper. In our next session, we'll roll up our sleeves and actually start building our first React app together. Thanks for joining in. See you in the next lesson.